When we started SignalFx coming out of Facebook about 6 years ago, it was abundantly clear that cloud adoption would pose some serious challenges to monitoring. As customers adopt tens or even hundreds of microservices, isolating and finding the root cause of problems has become harder than ever before. Effective monitoring requires that the monitoring system be able to learn about the environment that's going on and assist the operator in identifying the root cause, because otherwise manual debugging, manual triage is too complex. With that in mind, I'm extremely excited to announce the launch of SignalFx's Microservices APM. It's a new set of functionality that is aimed squarely at the problem of operating complex environments. What we did was we took SignalFx's industry-leading analytics and metrics platform and added the ability to observe transactions. So now customers can observe every single transaction that's flowing through their environment. They can understand the complex interdependencies between their microservices. They can correlate their transactions with the application and infrastructure metrics that are flowing by. At the same time, with the power of SignalFx Analytics, they are given assistance in helping them identify the root cause of problems. I personally feel this is a transformational set of functionality that's going to make a big impact in how customers are able to operate their environments, find problems, and in the end reduce MTTR, which is really what the purpose of all monitoring systems should be. A lot of hard work has gone into it. We are very